Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 12th September 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content we discuss does not reflect our opinions, but rather the news circulating in public media. Let's start with a significant development from Elon Musk's XAI. The company has made a bold move by establishing a major presence in Memphis, Tennessee. They've taken over a large factory to construct what they aim to be the world's largest supercomputer, named Colossus. This facility is set in an industrial area near historically black neighborhoods, which already face challenges with air quality and health issues. The supercomputer will support XAI's AI chatbot, Grok, which Musk touts as the most fun AI in the world. However, the project has sparked concerns among local residents and environmental advocates due to its massive energy and water demands. The facility requires 150 megawatts of electricity and 1 million gallons of water daily, enough to power 100,000 homes. Critics have pointed out that the project has moved forward with minimal community engagement, and local officials reportedly learned about it through media reports. Adding to the controversy, XAI has installed portable methane gas generators without the necessary permits, raising alarms about potential air quality impacts. Community leaders are frustrated over being excluded from discussions, fearing the project will worsen pollution in an already burdened area. While the local utility assures residents they won't be negatively impacted, skepticism remains. Environmental advocates highlight the irony of a cutting-edge AI project relying on fossil fuels, stressing the need for transparency and better environmental practices. This situation underscores the broader tensions between technological advancement and environmental justice in vulnerable communities. Shifting gears, let's talk about Mars colonization, a topic often associated with Elon Musk's ambitious vision. An article recently argued that colonizing Mars is an unrealistic and ultimately futile endeavor. The primary reasons cited include Mars's lack of a magnetosphere and a breathable atmosphere. The author dismisses the idea of terraforming Mars by introducing plants, pointing out that even Earth's most inhospitable places, like the South Pole and Mount Everest, cannot support complex life, despite their relatively favorable conditions compared to Mars. The piece critiques the notion that life can adapt to extreme environments, emphasizing that Earth's biosphere has taken billions of years to evolve and hasn't managed to thrive in such harsh conditions. The author asserts that there is no scenario in which Earth becomes so inhospitable that Mars would be a viable alternative for human settlement. Even in catastrophic scenarios, Earth would remain a better option for survival. The article also critiques Musk's vision for Mars colonization, suggesting that his focus on extending the probable lifespan of consciousness is misguided and morally questionable. The author argues that the resources and efforts directed towards Mars colonization could detract from addressing pressing issues on Earth. Ultimately, the article concludes that the dream of establishing a human presence on Mars is not only impractical, but also ethically problematic, as it diverts attention from the urgent need to protect and sustain life on our own planet. The author expresses strong skepticism about the motivations behind such ambitions, particularly those of wealthy individuals like Musk, and warns that their pursuits could lead to detrimental consequences for Earth. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we covered. Join us next time for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and informed.